In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project board in Monday.com. We're going to walk through a simple and effective way to organize a project from the ground up so your team can clearly see what needs to be done, who owns each task, and how the work is progressing over time. This setup is especially useful if you want a workspace that is easy to update and easy to review at a glance. To begin, open monday.com and go to your main workspace. Once you're in, create a new board for the project. Give the board a clear, descriptive name so anyone looking at it immediately understands what the board is for. A well-named board makes it easier to keep your workspace organized, especially if you manage multiple projects at once. Next, add groups for the different phases of the project. Groups help you break the work into sections, such as planning, execution, review, or completion. Think of these groups as major project stages. Organizing the board this way gives your team a clear structure and makes it easier to move through the project in a logical order. After that, start adding items for the tasks or deliverables. Each item should represent a specific piece of work that needs to be completed. Try to make the task names clear and actionable so there's no confusion about what needs to happen. If a deliverable is larger, you can still name it in a way that reflects the outcome you expect. Once your tasks are in place, add the columns you need to track progress effectively. Include columns for owner, status, date, priority, and timeline. The owner column shows who is responsible for the task. The status column helps everyone see whether something is not started, in progress, or complete. The date column is useful for deadlines, while priority helps your team focus on the most important work first. The timeline column gives a broader view of how long a task is expected to take, which is helpful for planning and scheduling. Now, assign tasks to team members using the owner column. Make sure each task has a clear person responsible for it. This improves accountability and reduces confusion, especially when several people are working in the same board. Finally, track the project using board views, automations, and dashboards. Board views let you look at the same information in different ways depending on what you need to focus on. Automations can reduce repetitive manual updates, and dashboards help you monitor progress across the project with a more visual summary. With this setup, your project board becomes a practical tool for planning, collaboration, and ongoing tracking.